So question 24, you're told that the equation of the curve is given by x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. So determine the stationary point of the curve. To find the stationary point of a curve, you're going to differentiate. We find the dy over the dx of that equation. So we are going to multiply here. We have 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Then you can solve out this. This is 3x squared if I use factorization, plus 3x minus x minus 1. We group them into 2, where we have 3x into x plus 1. On this side I do the same. Therefore we have 3x minus 1 and x plus 1. Therefore the value of x is going to be 1 over 3 and negative 1. So we are going to take the positive 1 and replace it up on the equation. If you do that, you are going to have the value of y to be negative 1, 5 over 27. Therefore the point of the stationary becomes 1 over 3, negative 1, 5 over 27. The nature of the stationary point. To work out the nature of a stationary point, we are going to take again our equation here and we differentiate it. Therefore we are going to have 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. There gives us 6x plus 2. Then after getting this, it is treated as the part of determining if it is either a maximum or a minimum. So we are going to replace our equation that we had not used here as a negative, which is negative 1 on every part. So if we put here negative 1, we are going to have our point as x is equals to negative 1. Therefore y is going to be negative 4. And if I use x, which is 1 over 3, y is going to be 4. So if you just have a small sketch on this, if x is negative 1, y is negative 4 at that point. So this one gives me the part maximum. And if this one here is a third, the other one is 4. So this one gives me the minimum point. So those ones are the nature of the curve. Determine the equation of the tangent. So determine the equation of the tangent, you go to where you differentiated. You take that equation. After using that equation, we are going to substitute x as 1. So we're going to have 3 1 squared plus 2 1 minus 1. Therefore the gradient for that case becomes 4. So if y is 0, x is 1. So you can say y over minus 0, x minus 1 is equals to 4. Therefore y is equals to 4 into x minus 1. Therefore the equation becomes 4x minus 4 for the tangent. For the normal, it is a perpendicular. Therefore m1 m2 is equals to negative 1. Therefore m2 becomes negative 1 over 4 because m1 the gradient was 4. Replace with 1 to give me the same gradient. Therefore we will say that y minus 0 over x minus 1 should give me negative 1 over 4. Therefore y is equals to negative 1 over 4 into x minus 1. Y is equals to negative 1 over 4x plus 1 over 4. So that is the equation of the normal and the equation of the tangent.